Hi, I'm Alex Scott, registered dietitian for the Kentucky Beef Council, and today we're making a Greek-inspired beef and vegetable sheet pan meal with a cucumber yogurt salad. This dish is packed with lean protein, colorful veggies, and whole grains, making it a great option for when you're managing your blood sugar levels. Let's get started. We're starting by chopping bell peppers and red onions, which are low in carbohydrates but rich in vitamins like C and B6, making them a great addition to a diabetes-friendly meal. And the star of the show is our top sirloin, which is a great lean cut of beef. When selecting lean beef, look for labels with terms like loin or round to ensure you are choosing a low-fat option that's diabetes-friendly. Now we're going to cut the sirloin into cubes. If you want it on the medium rare side, cut thicker cubes, but if you would like it closer to well done, you can cut it into thinner strips. We're aiming for medium rare today. Now let's make the marinade. We're going to start with a few tablespoons of olive oil, red wine vinegar, and spices. Olive oil is rich in heart-healthy fats, and vinegar can help improve blood sugar control after meals. Using spices like oregano and paprika keep the dish flavorful while keeping sodium levels low, which supports heart health. I'm adding the top sirloin cubes, bell peppers, and red onion to the marinade. Lean beef provides high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, while the vegetables add fiber and antioxidants to support overall health. I'm just mixing this with my clean hands, but you can use tongs if you would like. Spread everything out on a sheet pan to ensure even cooking. This method is quick, easy, and keeps cleanup minimal. Now let's pop this in the oven at 425. Halfway through, we'll take it out and give it a stir. This brings out the natural sweetness of the vegetables while cooking the beef to perfection. While the sheet pan meal cooks, I'm making a cucumber yogurt salad. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health and blood sugar balance. The dill and lemon juice add refreshing flavor. Adding cucumbers makes this salad hydrating and light, perfect as a cooling side dish to the roasted beef and vegetables. I'm warming up whole wheat pitas to serve alongside the meal. Now we're going to assemble our pitas. We are using whole grains, which are a good source of fiber, which can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. And there you have it, a complete balanced meal that's as nutritious as it is flavorful. Enjoy!